Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the core features so the FPS overlay can run. Open Settings, go to Gaming and toggle Xbox Game Bar on. This gives the system permission to draw overlays. Once done, sign into your Xbox account if the prompt appears. This links overlay services. Then make sure Windows Game Mode is enabled. Game Mode reduces background interference. These steps set the foundation so the overlay service can start, which is why we don't skip straight to capture settings yet. Now you configure what the game bar actually displays and remove conflicts. Press Win+G to open game bar, open the performance widget, and switch FPS on. This tells the overlay to read frame timing. Next, update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers often block the API game bar uses. Also check for other overlay apps like Discord, Steam, or GeForce Experience and disable their overlays, because multiple overlays can steal the frame counter. After these changes, restart the game so the overlay. Finish by ensuring the system applies settings and resolve lingering issues. First, restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC. A fresh session often restores the overlay. If FPS still fails, reset Xbox Game Bar from Apps Xbox Game Bar Advanced Options. That clears corrupted caches. Make sure you run the game in borderless or full screen mode that supports overlays. Some exclusive full screen modes block the counter. If nothing works, testing with a different game confirms whether it's game-specific or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.